Charles Hackett refers to the things or languages that have in common as the design features of language. These are the main design features and its brief definition. First is spontaneous use. People do not need to be made to use language. There are two aspects of spontaneity, and these are spontaneous acquisition and spontaneous use. Second is turn-taking. This is an informal conversation is characterized by alternation between one speaker and another. Second is redundancy. This term refers to the fact that languages are not the most economical possible communicative systems. At every level, languages uses more time and space than is necessary to encode information. Fourth is displacement. These are languages that enable us to talk with quite extraordinary precision about things which are not here or now. Fifth is dual structure. These are language create meaning through the combination of discrete units. 6. Discreteness. These are languages that is used to discrete designs. They are either one thing or another. Seventh is semanticity. The units created on the second level, whether they are words or combination of words, have semanticity. 8. Arbitrariness. The relationship between these meaningful units and their meanings, however, is arbitrary. The meanings exist by convention rather than any for logical or motivated reason. 9 is structure dependence. These are phonemes combined to form words and words to combine to form larger units with meanings greater than and independent of the words which compose them. 10 is prevarication. These are language that is used to convey information about states of affair and states of mind. 11th is reflexivity. These are language that is used to talk about the world and our states of mind. It can also be used to talk about itself. That is reflexivity. Next is productivity. Language is a productive in two senses. First of all, there are mathematical properties that allows the 19th century linguist, and the second is capacity to create new items and new ways of combining them to be, in other words, creative. For Halliday's language function, it talks about language learning is social and cultural practice. It deliberately uses the term learning rather than acquisition, seeing language as constructed by interaction, not something that is out there to be required. Social interaction is necessary condition for language learning has been indicated by unfortunate cases of children deprived of, and Halliday and Webster describes three main stages that children transfer in. Halliday and Weber describes three stages that children transfer in learning. First is in phase 1, the language is the first language system that the child has. And in phase 2, it is the transition from the child system to the adult language. And in the phase 3, it is the learning of the adult language. What separates human from animal? According to Barnett, it highlights the inseparability of language from man when he says verbal communication is a condition for the existence of human society. Language is extremely the fundamental to our human life. In this video, I would like to emphasize that language is not acquired but it is learned, and that we have to learn how to interact with other people, since social interaction has a greater role in the development of our learning when it comes to the language.